Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, but hi there everyone. Let me greet you very warm greetings no for your 5th anniversary for the PWD fellowships. Let me read my message kasi medyo madaldalang nanay niyo para umabot tayo sa time. What a beautiful blessing to witness this community growing in faith and spiritual strength. Your journey is a powerful reminder that God's grace knows no bounds and that every heart, regardless of ability, is called to shine with His love. May this fellowship continue to be a sanctuary of hope, healing, and deeper connection with the Lord. Keep walking in faith and keep inspiring the world with your light. Happy anniversary, dear PWD Fellowship. God bless you all abundantly. This is your mommy, your Kumu mommy, sending forward God's love. God bless you all and congratulations.